this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do format of your SD card, your Tapo C210 security camera. Here I have a pair of cameras. You can see that they are connected, setup is done there. But if you want to do format, if they are not working properly, how you can do that? So go to your phone, any phone, Samsung, Apple, doesn't matter. Go to Tapo app, to your app. Here we go. And the camera, this one I have many cameras, so kitchen I open this one is working here. So how we can format? So at the top you can see some option. I go inside, go between this option, storage and recording option. Here local storage, go inside local storage option. Here you can see many options. Here you can see many options. At the bottom is a formatting or format your micro SD card. I have no storage, 55 GB is free here. So I hit format SD card, hit format. So formatting is on process. Format successfully. So great guys, I hit OK button. Let's go back to my camera. Let's see it's working or not. Here is the cam. So let me move this one to see it's working properly or not. So this is the way you can format SD card to your Tapo C210 security camera. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.